Hello, everyone. Hello, the Blues. Welcome back to Austin Football Talk. Yes, I'm back once again with another upload, another video, another brand new video. There is no much news on the Chelsea news, although there's a little news. So let's see how it goes. And now we are in the international break because we have a World Cup qualifier is going on. We are in international break. FIFA international break are going on. A lot of match have been going on since some days ago. Matches are going on both European, Asian, South America, North America, and also in our own soil, African. So now we are focused in the crucial match today between Nigeria Super Eagles versus Rwanda because it is very, very crucial match between Nigerian Super Eagles and Rwanda. It's a must match win for Nigeria, and also not only today match, including on Tuesday against South Africa, that will be on South African soil. It's going to be a difficult one. So let us keep our finger crossed to see what is going to happen, how come these two games will be. But it's a must match win for Nigeria Super Eagles if they can able to get any hope, to secure their place in the FIFA World Cup come next year, 2026. Because if you're looking at the group at this moment, South Africa are still topping the group with 16 points after they won last night against Lesotho away match. That match ended by 3 goals to nothing in the favor of South Africa. So South Africa, they are pushing and they are pushing and they are pushing. It's looking like they're going to be, the one to qualify in the group of Nigeria in the group C, in group C. So it looking like South Africa is at the one to qualify. Even though there is a lot of speculation news about, their players ineligible to play in the past qualified World Cup. So that matter is not resolved yet. We don't know how it's going to come out in that matter. There's no any news. The complainant are still complainant. A lot of Nigeria are complaining about that. FIFA should do something. The player must be suspended, and a 3 point must deduct from South Africa. Of course, even if they deduct 3 points from them, at this moment they are still ahead of everyone, 16 points. Nigeria are now in the fourth place with 7 points. Benin Republic won yesterday against Zimbabwe, so they are in the second place with 11 points. Rwanda is eighth place. In the third place with the 8 point. Nigeria in the fourth. Lesotho 6 points behind Nigeria, and Zimbabwe are in the fourth, in the sixth place with the 4 points. So if you look at this group now, we are in the very difficult moment. Nigeria in a very difficult moment. I don't think if we can make it, except if we push to end in the second place, to play with other, semi-final group team. How the FIFA do the things in the semi-final between African and some European. Maybe that will be opportunity for Nigeria to qualify in the World Cup. But at this moment, I don't think it's going to happen. So let's see what happened today between Super Eagles of Nigeria and Rwanda. It's a must match win for Super Eagles, must. And they need to score as many goals as many chances they create. They need to score goal because at this moment goal count too. So it's a very difficult moment for Super Eagles. Already so many damage have been damage in the past match. The match was supposed to get the point we need. We didn't get, in the last of the Lesotho, Rwanda, Zimbabwe, we fumble. Now it's time for pay for it. South Africa is ahead of with 16 points. It's a very, very huge one. So, and on Tuesday, they will play against Nigeria in South Africa. That will be a very difficult match. But in football, anything can happen. We don't know. Let's see what is going to come out in that match between Super Eagles of Nigeria and South Africa in South African soil. So this is the latest update on Super Eagles group match. So today, come local time 5 p.m. Nigeria time between Nigeria Super Eagles and Rwanda. So I'm going to encourage a lot of Super Eagles fans out there, especially those in the in the Akwa Ibom, to come out in a massive to support the team, no matter what surrounded the team at this moment. Let us support the Super Eagles of Nigeria, and let us continue to support them till the dying minute, till the last whistle of this qualified campaign, and let's see where we are heading to, whether we are out or we are in. So that is the latest on the Super Eagle camp right now. So the hour is getting closer and closer and closer. And looking at other results, the match played yesterday on FIFA CAF Qualified World Cup, on African soil. In South Sudan lost at home to DR Congo by 1-4, and also Kenya lost at home, against Gambia. Somalia lost at home 3-0 against Guinea. So Namibia lost at home 2 against Malawi. Lesotho lost at home against South Africa. Uganda won at home against Mozambique. Benin Republic won 1-0 to Zimbabwe, and also Congo and Tanzania play goalless draw. And Djibouti lost at home by 6-0 against Burkina Faso. So this is the result of the match was played last night. And looking at other African group, the other group in African qualify, the club like the nation like Morocco is the only first African to qualify in next year FIFA World Cup. So Morocco have secured their qualify on next year FIFA World Cup. Morocco have secured their 18 points, 6 matches to play, 18 points. Tanzania in second with 10 points. Zambia in the third place, 6 points. Niger, 6 points. Congo Republic, 1 point. And the other country is to qualify. I think Algeria in the place to qualify at this moment. Algeria at 18 points, followed by Uganda 12 points, Mozambique 12 points, Guinea 10 points, Botswana 9 points, and Somalia 1 point. This is the group of G, the group G, and the Morocco in the group E. So this is the people have the Moroccan and the Algeria secured their place in the FIFA World Cup next year, come 2026. So this is the only African team. According to news, Morocco become the first African country to qualify for 2026 FIFA World Cup following their 5-0 win over Niger. It will be the Anti-Lions' 7th appearance in the World Cup. So Morocco, this is going to be the 7th appearance on the World Cup. First one was 1970, 1986, 1984, 1998, 2018, and 2022. Now 2026. So good one for Moroccan team. I wish them all the best. And also other nation already qualified. The nation have secured their place in the FIFA World Cup 2026. As now, Canada qualified, Mexico, USA. The one of the Canada was the host, and Mexico is also host. USA among the hosts. New Zealand, Iran, Argentina, Uzbekistan is qualified. South Korea, Jordan, Australia, Brazil, Ecuador, Uruguay, Colombia, Paraguay, and Morocco. This is the nation have already qualified, secure their place in the FIFA World Cup come next year, 2026. So, sorry, after today's match, we'll see more on the nation who qualify for World Cup. So, We'll see what happened. We'll see what happened. So let's hope that Nigeria Super Eagles will win today's match and also win against South Africa. These two matches must match win for Nigeria Super Eagles. Let's see how it goes. And I wish them best luck. And I hope they make Nigeria proud. So this is where I'm going to end this brand new video, and I will see you guys with the second video later in the day. Let's see what happened in the match between Nigeria and Rwanda. I still remain your man Austin. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.